Hello everyone. Suppose you want to merge any two image, okay, addition of two image into one image, then it is possible using OpenCV. So here is the code, import CV to import numpy and everything. Then using imread function, we are reading first image, that is the name is 2.jpg, and we are reading one more image and the name is 3.jpg, and we have stored in image 1 and image 2. Then we have one more variable which is weighted sum, which is equal to cv2.add weighted function. It has 5 parameters. First, obviously, your stored image variable, that is image 1. Okay. And then second, it is the weight of that image, which is from 0.0 to 1.0. Then name of the second image, again weight of the second image, and the third one is the gamma value. Okay. And then using show, we can simply display that image, and wait key, obviously until we close it will remain as it is on your output screen. So first of all, this 2.jpg and 3.jpg, that is this one, this is 2.jpg, okay, and this one is the 3.jpg. So you all can see here we have two images. This is the first one, that is 2, and this is the 3.jpg, and we are going to merge this, or you can say that addition of these two image, and the output will be only one image combination of these two. So we'll check the output of this very quickly now. So Control S and F5. See, it is dot 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 dot, that is 3.jpg, and exactly behind that you all can see this kind of things, that is 2.jpg. If you want, we can change that weight and gamma value also. So first of all, for example, if this will be 0.1 and if this is 0.9, for example, Control S and F5. See, now we can see only dot dot dot. We can't see that first image, that is 2.jpg, because the weight is 0.9 for the second one, and the weight for first one is 0.1. But if I change this to 0.9 and 0.1, Control S. See, now we cannot see dot dot dot, but still there are some dots over here. You all can see, and we can clearly see that 2.jpg image. So totally it is based on value, but at least at the end, what we can check is we have combined both the image as one image using this add weighted function. Thank you everyone.